For my future employers, I hope you give me a chance to select me as your nanny. Good day, Madam and Sir. My name is Rinilyn Elmitanyo, 31 years old, married, blessed with two children, age 10 years old and 2 years old. My husband is vendor, my father is farmer, and my mother is housewife. I have 5 brothers and 3 sisters, and I am the fifth of the family. I came from Caloocan, Manila, Philippines. I am Catholic and I am high school graduate. I worked before as domestic helper here in La Loma, Manila, Philippines, and 4 years I served 4 members of the family, 2 adult, 1 child, 5 years old girl, and 3 months infants. My main duties are taking care of children, taking care of baby, washing and ironing the clothes, house cleaning, cooking, gardening, and marketing, and also car washing. If you give me a chance to select me as your nanny, I'll be sure that I will do my best and my responsibilities, and I love your child as my own. Thank you and God bless, Madam Esther.